Hi friends, today I'm here to share a vegan, diabetic friendly milkshake recipe which is highly nutritious as well. If you're someone who is longing to get into a healthy breakfast habit but never gets time for that, if so, this recipe is definitely for you. I'm using finger millet milk to make this recipe. You can use sprouted ragi milk or normal ragi milk for this. If you're diabetic, better to use sprouted ragi milk as there is less carbohydrates. So let's see how this very simple on-the-go ragi milkshake is made. To start with, I'm going to soak some almonds overnight. It is always better to use soaked nuts as the nutrition value increases by soaking. If you don't have almonds handy, you can use cashew nuts or any other nuts of your choice. I'm going to soak my dates as well as they are not very soft. Now for our milkshake, of course the main ingredient is ragi milk. I've taken about 500 ml of ragi milk here. If you want to see how ragi milk is made, I have a separate video on that. Please refer to the link given in the description for that video. So now I have kept all the ingredients ready for two different versions of this milkshake. One with dates and almonds only, and the other one is with banana. In fact, you can use any fruits of your choice instead of banana. Pear and mango will taste really yummy too. Now with the almonds, I have removed the skin once it was nicely soaked. Now I'm going to add about 250 ml of ragi milk into my blender jar. And I'm going to add my dates and almond into this now. The first version is only with dates and almond. Make sure you remove the seeds of the dates before blending it. I'm only using 2 dates for 1 glass of drink. Now nicely blend it until it is smooth and frothy. Now my first version of drink is ready. I'm going to pour this into the glass and I'm going to make the second version. Into the same mixer grinder jar, I'm going to add the remaining milk and I'm going to add banana, and along with that I'm going to add some almonds as well as dates. And in this version, I'm going to use some cardamom powder. Actually, in both versions, you can use cardamom powder, but I wanted to try one without cardamom powder this time. Now blend this again until it is smooth and frothy. Now pour this into your serving glass. Now we can top this up with some fruits and nuts of your choice. I'm using chopped almonds and pomegranate here. This is completely optional. This is something you can quickly make in the morning and take it along with you while going to work and drink it on the way. Now with the ragi milk, you can make a big batch and keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Alternatively, you can pour this milk into your ice cube trays and freeze it, so you can use ragi ice cubes or milkshake instead of ragi milk. If you like this video, please hit the like button now. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.